In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off your automatic speaker on iPhone. This happens to me all the time where I'm picking up a phone call and the speaker is automatic and it just comes on, which is annoying because sometimes you don't want it to be on speaker. It's very easy to change the option once you're on the call, but you can change the settings as well because it just becomes annoying after a couple times. So what you want to do is scroll over to your settings, wherever they may be on your phone, and go down to accessibility. And then under physical and motor, you want to go to touch and then scroll all the way down until you see your call audio routing and see the speaker options here. What you want to do is just have it automatic, and that will turn off your automatic speaker. So it'll pick up like a normal phone call. And then from there, you can change your audio preferences and put it on speaker or connect it to a computer if you want to, all that good stuff. And that's how you would turn off your automatic speaker on iPhone. So I hope you found this helpful, and we'll see you in the next one.